And I'm keeping it really simple today. I'm just putting a little sentiment here, just kind of putting a little title on my page.
Because when you document travel, when you document anything, looking at those memories brings back all the emotions and all the feelings of joy. You could feel it like you're almost there.
It was a kit that was really simple, and it just had places for me to write, express myself, and add any photos that my parents had printed out for me. And that really started my love of scrapbooking.